my channel. My name is Annalisa Moreno. If you are new, I am so excited that you are all here with me today. I am going to be showing you my everyday, affordable, easy glam look, and this is it. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple, but I thought I would share it with you because, oh my voice, I thought I would share it with you because I get a lot of questions about what I use and like pretty much every day. In the past 2 videos I've done, I've kind of used high-end stuff and drugstore, but they were more glam. This is more everyday, so if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to start with the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil. I use the shade, I think it's dark brown. My eyebrow looks a little funny right here. Oh my god.
And now I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil concealer and conceal around my eyebrows.
And then I like to go back in with a little spoolie, I think that's what it's called, or those little, like, I like to go in with this end and kind of just brush my brows up and make sure everything kind of blends well. And if I need to, sometimes I'll just go back and kind of tweak whatever needs to be fixed or darkened a little bit. Okay, so next I'm gonna prime my entire face with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. I like this stuff a lot. Next I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Instant Age Rewind concealer. And I'm using the shade Neutralizer. And then I'm gonna set my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I use the shade Lights. A clean slate to work with. Since this is kind of like my simple, I mean it's simple, it's not simple, it's kind of simple. For me it's simple. Everyday makeup routine. I don't like to use a lot of eyeshadow or kind of get all like crazy. So what I do is I get the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I just apply that into my crease a little to kind of give a little definition. And sometimes when I feel like that's not dark enough, because I guess my concealer is a little different today, I'll even go in with the NYX Brown on my contour palette and just to add, like, again, we're just adding some definition. This is supposed to be a quick, not having to think too much makeup look, but still getting the job done for every day. Okay, also once I finish adding a little color to the crease, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just kind of cover up these dark circles and like a couple blemishes. love, 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 love this little Ego Tools blender because it has like this little edges and stuff that just makes blending so much easier. So now that I have my concealer all done, I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation. I recently tried a new foundation and it was like the Wet n Wild one, and I heard like good things about it for being like drugstore, like only like $5, but y'all, it did not work for me. It didn't work for me. I just couldn't do it. So I'm gonna stick to what I know is best, and that is Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation. Again, I'm kind of in between shades. I haven't figured out the best shade for me. In the summer, it's always Warm Honey, and Natural Buff is kind of just a little too light for me right now, so I'm just gonna mix the two and slap it over my face. Yeah, I just feel like this foundation is hydrating. Like, I don't even think it's hydrating, but when I tried that other one, I just felt like my face was like dry and I just didn't feel good. This one never fails to just kind of feel great on my skin. And for the price, like, wow. Okay, y'all, so all of my foundation is applied. I'm gonna go in with the neutralizer concealer under my eyes a little to kind of add that extra little, you know, coverage, and also to brighten. It's the Ego Tools Precision Foundation Brush. I'm gonna go in and set all of this concealer with the yellow in my NYX contour palette. So I'm going to contour with my NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette. Clearly I love this palette since it's almost gone, and I have some other ones, but I just keep coming back to this little thing. So I'm gonna use this color here, clearly the only dark shade, with my Sculptabuki Ego Tools brush, and just kind of take it up. And then sometimes for extra blending, I just go in with another light kind of tapered brush. And get that all taken care of. So now there's all the color on my face. So I'm going to go in and apply some mascara. I use the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline in, I think it's like the darkest black. Oh, it looks like I already got mascara on my eyelid. Look at that volume. Talk about an awesome mascara. Y'all, like, it's so hard to not get mascara on your eyelids. It's gonna happen. So, don't worry about it. We'll just clean it up. Bam. Got me some full eyelashes. Now that, I guess I could put a little bit of bottom mascara. Just gonna apply a little bottom mascara. Nothing too crazy. Okay, also, we can't forget blush. I just picked up this one. It's the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine, and OMG, probably my like second favorite to my NYX that I typically use, but I kind of like this orange rosy-ish shade. I think it's just perfect. Holy grail of all blush brushes. You know, I think this blush was only like $2. Super cheap. Works great. So I want to give my face a little glow. I recently picked up the Milani Stellar Lights highlighter palette, and I like it. I like it a whole lot. So I'm gonna use this, y'all. It was like 10 bucks. I picked it up at Walmart. I was there getting stuff that I like needed for the house, and of course, you gotta stop by the makeup aisle and see what's new. So I'm going to use this middle color, which is kind of like an orangey shade. Oh, that is the wrong brush. Darn. I just dipped that brush into glitter. Plan this video. So again, I'm gonna go in with this color here. I feel like it gives like a sunny glow in the middle of winter. Now for some lip color, y'all. I really love the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I think they came out with some really great shades. I'm using the shade Seductress. And yeah, I think it's a great everyday color. It's not too dark, not too light, but kind of just, you know, gets the job done. I think this comes with an awesome applicator. It's super pointy and really helps you like line your lips if you have trouble doing that, and you don't have to, I don't like to use a lip liner, but I think it helps. It's very user friendly. Okay, also this is the lip color. It's kind of like a pink with brass undertone. I think it's great for every day, and it's really cute. It's very like pinky. Okay, also to finish off, I like to throw on the Master Fix Face Studio Maybelline Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. It sets, mattifies, blurs, and smooths. I know, I just think it's a great finish to an entire look. I use this even when I'm doing like night out looks or something. I haven't used it in a while. I kind of lost it, to be honest. And then I found it and I was like, oh, I need to use this again. But yeah, we're just gonna put this all over the face with a little powder brush. And so there you have it. This is the finished look. It's simple, it's everyday, it's affordable. I just think it leaves your face with a classic, you know, natural, but you know, you're wearing makeup everyday look. And yeah, that's what I do most of the time. Or I don't wear makeup, so I think this is a good middle ground for full glam to no glam to like a good like middle glam. So yeah. Okay, y'all, that's all I have for you today. I had a lot of fun creating this everyday makeup look. Again, all of the products I used, you can get them at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, any kind of like drugstore-esque place. And yeah, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment any other videos you'd like to see from me, and subscribe so you can be a part of my YouTube fam. I will see you guys next time. Almost gone. And then I'm gonna use my scope. Let's try that again.